Furnaces are always critical equipment in many industries, especially in ethylene production, refinery, fertilizer plants, and hydrogen reformers. One of the key challenges in operating a furnace is optimizing the productivity, the integrity of furnace, and the energy consumption. Radiant coils are among the key components of a furnace. Made by high alloy, it is exposed to extremely high temperature for years. The key failure mechanism that usually happens to radiant coils are carburization, bulging, and bowing, which eventually affect the productivity and safety of the plant. Advancement in robotics, sensor technology, and data processing allow us to inspect those problems effectively within short time. CiBot is a robotic technology equipped with sensors to measure carburization, bulging, and bowing with resolution of 1 centimeter throughout the length of each tube. CiBot collects data while it crawls up and down the tube automatically, controlled simply by a PC. The measurement minimizes uncertainty from human factors. Measurement data from CiBot can be displayed as a heat map for the whole furnace, in addition to providing carburization condition of each individual tube for maintenance planning. The map also suggests the effectiveness of heat distribution in the furnace. It is also a key input for determining coil life assessments. Bulging and bowing measurements report the deformation of each tube due to creep. Inspection of carburization, bulging, and bowing by CiBot is effective for monitoring coil integrity, optimizing heat input, and estimating end-of-coil life. CiBot is considered yet another innovative solution that can be effectively used to monitor the integrity of radiant coils, which are the heart of the plant.